Hello guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I have added a new feature to our application, which is being able to send image messages. So I tested it out with my emulator and another device. I sent a message from my device to this emulator and it worked perfectly. As you can see, the image is displaying. So as you know, the process of sending an image message is very simple. You just have to click on the camera icon here, and then this will open up your camera, and then you select whichever image you want, then you click send. So I have already done it here, so I'll just walk you through how I did it. So as you know, whenever you select an image from the media, it should wait, let me check out the code. Yeah, so this is it. So whenever you click on the image icon, this is the method that gets called whenever you click on the image icon. Let me look for the click listener. Yeah, so this is the click listener of the image icon. So whenever I click this, it opens the camera. That means it calls this method called opencam, and the method opencam just initializes the Pix camera library, and then here I only set the count to 1. That means I only want the user to be able to select just a single image, and that image gets saved also to a path called WhatsApp/anyhood. And after the image is being selected, I collected the image through the on activity results method. This is it. The on activity results method gives me the image. Ignore this is for a file and this is for the image. So and I already have my request code here, which is the request code picker. So it checks if the request code is request code picker. Then if it's a request code picker and if the result is okay, it gets the image. That means it calls this method called getImage and then passing in the data as a parameter. So I'm going to go over to this method now by keeping my cursor on it and clicking Ctrl B. This should take me directly to the method. Now the getImage gets the image and then it converts it from a file to a URI. So now I now get the result as a URI. Then it also gets the file name. So after that, I pass it on to this method called upload to DB, and the upload to DB takes in the URI and also the file name of the file name. Now immediately I'll just go over to this. Okay, yeah, this is the method down. So in the upload to DB method, which takes in a URI as a URI and then a file name as a string, here I just push or post the image to my storage location called chat images. So I will show you this in the next video. I will show you my Firebase storage in the next video, so you can see that there's a folder called chat images, and inside the folder inside the folder I created another folder which is a file name, then it gets uploaded into here. But then this should be replaced with a random ID, because if there is another file with the same name, then this image might get replaced. So this is something I have to fix later. And then I put the file here, so just upload tas.rev.put file, which is the URL. Our URI is a file. And so I check for the task continuation, checks if it was successful or it failed. So in the on complete listener here, I got the download URI here. So inside the download URI, I pass it on to this method called send image. So the send image, we had two methods before to send a message. One was called it was just called send message, but then I had to make it 2 because I want to be able to control how the method works, because if a user should send an image, then then there will also be a space that will contain the text file, but then the text will get sent also as an empty text. So in order to avoid such confusion, I just had to create two methods, one for the image and then one for the text. So I'll just go over to this method now by pressing Ctrl B. So Ctrl B takes me to the method called send image, which takes in an SMS type, which is the text type, and then an image path. So in our case, the text type is an image message. So this is the one for sending text, so I had to separate them. So the image takes in the image path, which is the URI to the image, and then it takes in the type of the SMS that was sent. So the type of this SMS is called message.image, beg your pardon. So it's an image message, not a text message. So our chat utils.process image process message get it sent to the other user. Where is the method itself? Chat utils.process. Where is chat utils? Okay, let me look for it here. Oh, there are lots of codes in this thing and it's getting confusing. Okay, so in order to go over to it quick, I just hope on it and press Ctrl B. It should take me straight to chat utils. So this is chat utils, and then chat utils.process message. So this is what processes the message, but we gave it an SMS type. Yeah, so as you can see, as you already know, the process message takes in some arguments. It takes in about 6 arguments: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the message type is the 6th argument. So this is where I did it. So the message type SMS type, and I also give it an SMS type when sending this. Let's go over to the upload stuff again. Yeah, so this is it, message type.image. So the message type.image makes the system know that this message is the type of this message is an image message. Alright, so I think that is basically it. Now in our adapter, I also check the type of the message in here. So I have an if statement here that checks, and of course you know that the our individual chat bubble is handled by 2 different files, or has 2 different files, which is called item chat receive and item chat send. So if I open the item chat send, you will see that not this one. This is when I was working on the next feature, which is being able to send a file. So this is the part that handles the image message. Let me set the visibility of this to gone. Then let me set the visibility of this to visible. So this is the image view set that handles the image for each messages. So in this chat adapter, I have to check if the message type is text, or if it is a document, or if it is an image. So here first of all I check. So if the message type is text, then if it's text, then it's going to disable the image, and it's also going to disable the documents, which I haven't added here. I'll do that soon. It's also going to disable the document message also. So this makes it works perfectly. And also if the message type is image, it disables all other things. So this is it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope this is the decrypt part which I've not worked on yet. So I hope you understood everything. If you don't understand, you can type your question in the comment section and I will get back to you. So thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.